Let's jump out in the field and see how it's done from Access. More often than not, a field crew goes out onto site and starts working on a new job. In this case, we don't necessarily have an existing project in Trimble Connect to share the data back to the office, so a new one needs to be created in the field with Trimble Access. This can be done in a couple of ways. First off, let's look at how this is managed when creating a new project. To start with, you need to sign into Trimble Connect in the controller. Next, you need to create a new project. In the Create Project menu, it's important to make sure that the Create Cloud Project tick box is selected at the bottom of this menu. When you click Create, the Create Project window opens. In here, the name is automatically given from the Access project. There are also the options to allow for the selection of the server and the project ownership. Once you click Yes, this project is then created in Trimble Connect. Now this is ready for the field data to be collected. Once field work is finished, the project needs to be changed to Fieldwork Complete. Access then automatically syncs that data to Connect and places it in the Field Data module. If you aren't signed into Trimble Connect at the time of creation, you can still create a project and upload that data to Connect from Access at a later time.
First and foremost though, you will need to be signed into Trimble Connect to do this process.
Then, in the Projects menu of Trimble Access, click on the three dots to the right of the job name and select Settings. At the bottom of this menu, you then need to select Upload. Here, the name of the created project in Connect will be taken from the project name in Access. You also have some more options here if needed, like the ability to select the server and the project ownership. Finally, at the bottom of this menu, you'll be able to see what license this project is being created against. Check they are all okay and select Yes to upload the project. In the Projects menu, the icon to the right of the job name, next to the three dots, shows if the project has been uploaded or not. As a side note here, when deleting projects off the controller, if you're logged into Trimble Connect, there is the option to delete it from just the controller or the controller and the cloud. Another consideration too is that the Field Data module needs to be turned on in the Trimble Connect project to view the data, which we will cover later in this episode. So this workflow has you covered if you're starting a new job in the field and sending it to the office without needing someone to set up the project or hand over the data manually later. Once created too, people can be added to the project in Trimble Connect so they get notifications that the data is ready to be downloaded and worked on.